Good day, my name is Enrico Sunga, a criminology student from PCR. Today I'm here at Future Love to share why I'm most excited to explore this love. I choose this laboratory because it gives me a hands-on experience. Example, fingerprints. This really excites me because it allows me to apply what I've learned to class in real-life situation. Application to future. These skills will help me in my criminology journey by preparing me for actual investigated work. In my future career, I believe this training will make me more capable of solving cases and upholding justice. Thank you for watching my vlog. Once again, I'm Enrico Mateo Sunga, and this is my journey as a criminology student here at PCCR.